is what you'll need for a low-carb pumpkin pie. Pure vanilla, pumpkin pie spice, or your own blend of nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, ginger, clove. I think that's everything that's in pumpkin pie spice. You'll need some ground cinnamon. You'll need coconut cream. Just a tip, if you don't have coconut cream, you can actually just put coconut milk in the refrigerator and it will separate the cream and the liquid, and then you can just use the cream part of it. A sweetener of choice, I am using this monk fruit sweetener with erythritol. You can use stevia, whatever sweetener you use for whatever diet you're on. Almond flour, shredded coconut, preferably like desiccated, like coconut, you want it like really, really fine, not really the chewy flakes. Pumpkin, 1 can of pumpkin, eggs, you'll need 4 eggs altogether, your pie dish, and we shall get into this. Enjoy! Alrighty, for the pie dough crust portion of this recipe, you're going to want to mix together 1.5 cups of the almond flour and 3/4 cups of that shredded fine desiccated coconut, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 of your eggs. So that's what I've got in this bowl, and I'm trying to get it into a consistency. I'm actually going to use my hands. Yes, my hands are clean. This is the best way. So it's going to form into like a nice little dough here. You're going to want to put a piece of parchment paper on the bottom of your pie pan and then grease the sides. I greased mine with butter. I mean, I know that's not the healthiest. You can grease it with coconut oil. Whatever you want, really. Then take your dough, okay, and just form it on the bottom and on the sides of your thing. Once you have it all in there and spread up on the sides, should look a little something like this. For the filling, you're going to want to blend together the can of pumpkin, 2/3 of the coconut cream, a 1/2 cup of the sweetener of your choice, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once your mixture is blended, you'll add your 3 eggs, give it 1 more blend, and then it's ready to be poured into your crust. Looks pretty yummy in the pie crust. So now this is ready to bake in the oven. Your oven should be preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes, you're going to take it out. You're going to wrap the edges in tin foil to protect the crust on the edges so it doesn't burn, because you're then going to put it back into the oven for another 30 minutes. So it bakes for 60 minutes total at 350. while my pie is cooking in the oven, just wanted to give a tip for if you have any leftover coconut cream, which I have quite a bit left. You can put it in the refrigerator overnight. I'm just going to cover it with some tin foil. Put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then you can whip it up and make coconut whipped cream to top your pie. It's finished. Pie looks yummy. Has to cool completely to room temperature. So I'm gonna leave it out. Probably not gonna try any until tomorrow. We'll see. Alrighty. I'm about to take my first bite. Let's see. It's super yummy. Success!